I think like any one of us who have worked in Gaza, you meet and befriend people and you stay in touch. I think about Muhammad, I think about Abdullah. These were the Palestinian ambulance drivers that drove me and my team around as we worked at the clinics, visited European Gaza Hospital to deliver medications and supplies. And to be in touch with them, they tell me how they can't feed their children. When I was there last year, they were sharing their food with us. And to see Palestinian healthcare workers like themselves express this form of dignity and humanity to visitors, to guests on their land, they wish that they could have done more, actually. And now, I don't know what to say back to them. I don't know what to text back. Because we're witnessing in real time, live streamed, their annihilation and extermination of an entire peoples, an entire community. So I don't know what more to say to them. I don't know what more to say here.